Robot explorers, discovering the amazing world of robots. Robots are like special helpers that can go on big adventures. Let's learn about robots used to explore different places, from Mars to the deep sea. Mars rovers. Robots called rovers explore the surface of Mars. They roll around, take pictures, and collect rocks to learn more about the red planet. Underwater drones. Drones are robots that can dive underwater. They explore oceans, lakes, and rivers, taking pictures of fish, corals, and mysterious creatures deep below the surface. Space probes. Space probes are robots that travel through space to explore planets, moons, and stars. They send back pictures and information to help scientists learn about the universe. Earth explorers. Robots aren't just for space. Some robots explore Earth too, like ones that study volcanoes, search for lost treasure underwater, or help clean up pollution. Robots are amazing explorers that help us discover new and exciting things about our world and beyond. Let's celebrate their adventures and imagine where they'll go next.